friends and welcome to 𝙬𝙖𝙖𝙣𝙚𝙗𝙗𝙧𝙤𝙗𝙗 and I am Mokshit, and in this video we are going to make a small project in Python, and that is also PNG to JPG converter. So let's make it. And first of all, to make that you need pip installed on your device. I'm having pip installed, so I can proceed now. And you can use Visual Studio Code or PyCharm or command prompt for this, but I am using Visual Studio Code. First you need to pip install pillow and press enter. It may take some time to install. And meanwhile you can like, subscribe and share this video. And let's program this. Here you need to make from pill import image, and here you need to declare the image. Now press image.open, and here you have to give your image. I will give it later, and first of all let me write the program first. And here also you should give the image, but that will be in the JPG. And keep comma, and again here you need to keep JPEG. Yes. Now let's give the image. And to give image you can't keep directly inside here. You can't give only the name. You need to bring that image into the directory or file which you are working with Python. So I am going to bring it. I am using angryvirus.png, and for this project you need a PNG image. Yes, copy and go to the directory from which you are doing all these Python files. So paste it. Yes, I had pasted absolutely correct. And now here you need to reload, refresh the Explorer. And here now you can see angryvirus.png. We have successfully imported the image into our directory. So let's give it over here. angryvirus.png. Again here also angry, and here you can keep any the file name not only the angry virus. You can keep only your file name, your PNG name. So here, let me explain this first. We have imported image from the pill, and pill is nothing but pillow, fork of the Python imaging library. And now we have imported image, and we have declared an variable called image, and we have gave the value of angryvirus.png. It will open and it will convert this into RGB. RGB is a function. And here image.save means after converting into JPG it should save it. For that we have wrote this line. In this manner it will work. So let's run it. It may take some time because I'm having less network. And this is the same thing again in our next videos. We will make JPG to WebPG, WebP to JPG, PNG to WebP to PNG, and we'll make the vice versa in our next video, that is JPG to PNG. Let the code run. Please wait a while. I had run the code, and I had made a Python playlist. If you don't know anything of this, the Python playlist which I am making is containing all the from the basics to advanced. You can check it. I will keep about it in the description. Let me try to run it again. Yes, it's running. Yes, if you see here, we had got an angry virus.jpg, and here again we had got an warning over here. And here, let me read a statement for you. User warning. Palette images with transparency expressed in warning.1. And this is nothing to bother here. This is common and it's just a warning. If you want, you can search in Google. It doesn't matter anything. See here, we got our PNG and JPG into the same directory we had made. And this is how my PNG to JPG converter program works. And you can either develop it also. And comment me in the YouTube for any advices or suggestions or for any videos to make. And if you make any addition to this, you had made anything else, then please comment me so I can also do that. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share it to all your friends.